Here I have BLACKBERRY Key2 and let me show you how to set up this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by choosing the appropriate language. This is the full list of available languages that you can use on this device. In my case, let me choose English. Let's choose your region. It could be United Kingdom in my case. Here you can also choose and change the vision settings. You can use the emergency to make some emergency calls. And if you are ready, let's tap start. You can connect your device to mobile network by using a SIM card, but you may also accomplish that later. For now, let me tap skip. So here you have to decide that you would like to copy your data, or you can set up your device as a new. In my case, let me set up as a new. The device is scanning for a Wi-Fi, so here you can connect to one of the available Wi-Fi. Let me do it. The device is connected. The Wi-Fi connection is not necessary, but usually I recommend having the internet access to enable a couple of useful features. So for example, right now you can sign in into the Google account. It's also recommended to enable a few options, so let's do it. You can do it in two ways. You can create a new account or use the existing Google account. So in my case, let me use the existing one. Let's enter the following email in my case. Alright, let's tap next. It's time to enter the password. Let me do it. Alright, if you are ready, let's tap next. Let me do it. Let me tap agree to terms of service and privacy policy. The device is checking info. Let me skip the fingerprint protection. You can set up this later in settings. So for now, tap skip. Let me also skip the screen lock options. Let's tap next. Let me choose no thanks to Google Assistant tutorial. Here you can enable or disable backup to Google Drive, help apps find your location, improve location accuracy, and send system data. In my case, let me leave all of them enabled, and let's tap agree. Here you can add also another email and review additional apps, but in my case, let me tap no thanks. The device is adding the finishing touches. Let's wait a few seconds. Let me tap next to this agreement, tap OK, tap next, choose next again. Here you've got the diagnostic program. Let me tap OK to this. You have to decide in your own way. Tap next, choose finish. That's it, the home screen pops up, so basically means that everything works just fine. Here you've got some tutorials that you can read. Tap next. Tap next again. Let me tap skip intro. Let me allow a couple of things for the device, tap OK, and that's it, the home screen pops up. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.